Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add token to Phantom wallet, right? This is very easy thing to do. First of all, you have to just go to Google and here you have to search for web store, right? And once you're here, this is basically Chrome web store here. You have to click on this Chrome web store. On the top right side corner, you will see the search icon, right? And here basically you have to search for Phantom. And once you search for it, here you can see phantom.app, right? So this is official one. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to add to your browser. Right now I'm using a Brave browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever you want. So everywhere you will find the same option. Once you click on add, here you will get this option of add extension. So yes, we have to add extension here, which will be shown on the top right. So once we here, we have to just click let it download in just few seconds. Once you have downloaded, it will redirect to a new page basically to create a new wallet or import existing wallet, right? So you can just go with any of the option. If you have already a wallet, then just create, otherwise just click on create a new wallet. Now here you have to create an email address and password, right? So what we have to do, we will just create an account. It will just take a very few seconds. So here, let's say we just create an account here. Click on I agree to the terms of service and click on continue. Okay, now here I save my secure recovery phase here. Just click on continue. You are all done, and now just click on get started. Now here it will be shown here. So for example, I will click here and I will pin this phantom and I will just click and open it up. Once I open it up, it will ask me what's new. So I will just click on right or continue, and here. So first of all, to import or anything, now basically how you can add it, right? So you have to just click here. If you want to add or something, scroll to the bottom, and here you will get an option which is called manage token list. Click on it, and right now if you just want to add any of the stuff, for example, let's say that I just want to add USDT, so you can search for USDT or something, right, which is available right now, right? And for, let's say, that's Ethereum or something. So right guys, so here we will just go here, click on manage token, and let's say that, for example, search for it and hit the enter. It will just take a very few seconds to load it out. And for just for an example, let's say that this is not added, right? So to add it, you have to click on this plus icon, which will be shown here once you search your token, and after that it will be shown in your account. Right here also you can see, you can just add your wallet or something, right? So if I just close here, it will show all my tokens which is available here, and I can use this to receive and send or swap or buy something, right? Any of the tokens, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.